Bron, you told me that you found my book in a secondhand bookshop. That's amazing.
I did, yes.
And you were going to give it to a girlfriend, and then what happened?
What happened was, because I come from Borough and I could tell that Jack had been living in Kapunda, I felt a relationship to her. And so immediately I just started reading it and I was absolutely hooked. So I read that book, and my girlfriend is not going to get that book.
You're just saying about that book, would you pass it on to somebody else?
I would pass it on, but I would want it back. So,
you said you were going to keep it forever.
That's right. But no, look, it was fabulous because it just really inspired me, and it's what led to me taking part in this workshop.
Yeah, and you hadn't painted before, right?
No, I've never painted before. So
you crazy woman, look at this.
Yeah, I'm just thrilled. And so this one here is going to take pride of place in my lounge room.
Lovely.
I love purples and pinks.
Yeah.
So that's a Bronny painting, and I will just, I'll admire them and think, no, look, it's just so lovely.
So you're at the point where you're thinking about, you've got a great job, you love by your community, but you're thinking about going part-time so you can have more time for yourself.
Yes, yep.
So do you think, having read the book, there was something in there that struck a chord because you're here and you've just put in this, massive 4 to 5 day effort.
Yes, yeah.
And you're thinking that it could be maybe a part-time part of your life and give you some structure outside your work when you retire?
Yeah, because I know that I will miss my work terribly and I need something to fill that void. So to me, it was just a wonderful opportunity to come and to do the workshop, find out what I could do, and then go from there.
That's so good.
It's been very, very good.
So I'm so glad you found my book.
Yes, it was meant to be.
That's the Make Money from Art memoir, which talks about how I started out painting and making money from art to support my own family. So good for you, girl.
Yeah.
Go, girl.
Yes, go, girl.
Well done.
Thank you.